Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a fun planner unboxing. As my title of the video states, I did purchase the Budget Moms Leverage Planner. In my previous video, I went over my budget journey or budget method explained and basically said that I derived my budgeting plan from 3 different individuals mostly, and the Budget Mom was definitely one of them, with her cash envelope system and just the way that I mark my expenses and things like that. So today I thought it would be fun to kind of do a review or first impressions unboxing of the Leverage Planner. So in the box, which it was a beautiful black box, and I'll show you guys. This is the beautiful box that the planner came in, and there's this cute little note from Kamiko Love right in here, and I'm sorry if I said her name, first name wrong. Just says, thank you for supporting the Budget Mom. I appreciate you. So I thought that box was really cute. Just threw it behind me. So in the packaging, I got a invoice, of course. This is the full-size Leverage Planner in the tiny house theme. Retails at $50. I purchased this during the pre-sale, and I purchased it on May 25th, and pre-sales were supposed to start shipping June 5th or June 15th, and mine shipped out June 16th, and it got here today, which is June 19th or Juneteenth. So like I said, retail for $50. This is the only thing that I purchased from the Budget Mom. So in the packaging, we got a cute little bookmark, and then you got a kind of like just a social media card, and then there's a code for discount on the back there. So first things first, and what I always like to do is kind of go over the aesthetic, or the main things are the cover and the spiral, or the coil, I should say. So the cover is a nice thick type of paper, not too thick. This will primarily will stay at home, which is why I got it. It's a very large planner, so it's not something that I can just drop into my purse. My A5 will be the planner that I just pop into my purse. And then there's this coil. It's nice and sturdy. I like it. Silver, perfect for me. I love silver anything pretty much, so that's fine for me. Then when we go and look at the back of the planner, it's a heavy planner too. Go and look at the back of the planner. It just has the Budget Mom, real women, real life, real finance. Again, it's the same thickness of the cover on the front. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure I stay in frame, y'all. So before we move on, I'm actually gonna do this right when we're on camera. I don't even know where I just put my washi, but I always usually, oh, here it is. I use a little piece of washi to make sure I stay in frame. And heck, y'all, this is not, I'm not even trying to be funny. There, I'm gonna actually just use my keyboard and know that if I push up too far on that keyboard, I'll go out of frame. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, static, a little bit of staticky, yeah. All right, so we got the planner open. Loving it. It's so thick, y'all. It's like a Bible, I'm gonna tell y'all. So anyway, you have this little excerpt here. It's a picture of the founder, Budget Mom. And it just says, welcome to the Leverage Planner, the one place to organize your busy and exciting life. The Leverage Planner is more than just one planner. It's a tool to help you organize your life, plan, set goals, be creative, and dream big. But most importantly, this planner was created to make your life easier. And then on the back here, it tells you what the planner includes. It's a monthly calendar, a personal finance, a weekly view, personal planning, and a 2-sided pocket folder and hand-drawn stickers. We have a place here to put my name, and then probably I'll put my email or something down here so that they can return it. Off first glance, and the printing quality of the pages is amazing. I love how vibrant the colors are. The paper is nice and smooth. It's thinner. The paper is thinner, a lot thinner than I'm used to, but that's because I'm pretty much used to Erin Condren's and then printing my own inserts on 28-pound paper. But I will say that I purchased this planner with the intent to plan pretty functionally without lots of stickers, and so I also won't be using crazy pens or anything like that. So for the most part, I'll just do a pen test and see what works, and that's how I'll address that. So when we turn the page, we open to a glance of 2021, 2022, 2023, and 2024, which I love. That's a really great overview. And then we just have some more design on the back here. Then it starts with our first month. And these pages are thicker, which I like, has those tabs. This is an undated planner. I meant to tell you guys that. So the tabs here you guys will see are undated, and then everything in the inside, the meat and potatoes, will be blank and undated. I did that because I can interchange from this planner to my LV without feeling like I am wasting pages, and just for the flexibility, really. And also because this is all she only offers an undated. I don't believe that she offers a dated planner, so this was your only option at that point. All right, so we'll open up to the monthly view, which is beautiful. I love the fonts. Again, this paper is really smooth. I really like that. So here at the top, we have a space to put the month name. We have a space for goals this month, people to see, which is so cute, and monthly wins. Then down here, we have this month's projects. So you can put the project name, priority, like rank its priority and its due date. Then up here, we have personal focus this month, work focus this month. That's awesome. I really like that. So it helps you, this planner helps you bring your personal and your work together. That's really cool. And then it says life, let's get creative. So you can probably put some aspirations of things that you want to do. So that's awesome. And I like, it's very minimal design in here. If you wanted to, like it doesn't bother me, but say for example, these little leaves bothered you, you could just take some white sticker paper and cut it out just to the size and put it over that if you want it, and customize that. So that is awesome. But I probably will just do handwritten things in here. I probably won't like print out any sticker, like numbered stickers or anything like that. I'll just write it in myself. So next, we'll go into what looks like the personal finance section. Wow, this is so awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is such a beautiful layout, you all. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the month. You can put the month here, my Y word. Wow, awesome. You have a section for financial goals, a savings challenge, areas to cut spending. Then we have a monthly income section, okay? We have monthly expenses. We have the monthly overview, so total income, total expenses, total spent this month, total debt paid, total money saved. I really like all those totals. Gives you a nice overview. I love this. Is my favorite right here. I love this. And it also gives you the option to check if these certain expenses are auto, or you have, are on auto draft or what. So that's really cool. So I have a few things that are on auto draft, like my utilities and things like that, and my car note. Just things that those kind of big things that I know I don't want to mess around and forget to pay. All right, and then we have a daily spending section, which I've always loved this. If I'm not mistaken, I feel like I saw this in her budget by paycheck workbook, which is different than this. The Budget Mom does have two different systems. She has this planner, and then she has a budget by paycheck planner, basically, or workbook, I should say. And essentially, it's just one large workbook where you literally budget by paycheck. Like for every paycheck, you have a certain section and a certain amount of pages that you have to kind of break that check into. This was always so appealing to me. That daily spending, this is so crucial, especially when you're doing cash envelopes, or if you're not doing cash envelopes yet, and you want to see how much you're spending when. And it kind of will break down the trends for you, like Monday through Friday. If you see higher amounts of like maybe $5 at Starbucks, or, eating out during your workday and all that stuff, like you're going to see that trend trickle between Monday and Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday, if you're going to brunch every Saturday and Sunday with your friends or family, you'll see those type of things. So this in particular, I really like this. And it's perfect. This is perfect timing for this planner to come for me, because I'm going to start in July because I have lots of different things happening. So moving on from that daily spending portion, you can basically set your priority debt progress. So this could be your student loans, your car, whatever you categorize as a priority debt, you can input into this section. And then you can, oh, I see. Yeah. So it looks like it's a priority debt progress. So it looks like you're going to pick one, because it says company, minimum payment, beginning balance, and interest rate. So you could pick your car, student loans, maybe a credit card, your home, whatever it is. And then your saving goals progress down here. So like for me, I have a savings goal for Christmas 2020 and a few other things. So I have a conference I'm attending that I was supposed to be attending in July, but it got moved to January because of COVID. So I'd put that in here. But those are really cool different ways to break down your personal finance. And then it says, how can I improve my finances next month? That is awesome. I always have had a reflective portion in my budget planner, not only for the layout, like did that layout work for me that month, but also what do I need to change in my spending, or what should I keep the same? So that's a nice little reflective area there. Now we're going into your personal planning section. Again, putting in the month, what week it is, and then it says, wow, look at this. You have 2 check boxes, either doing a weekly review of your pantry inventory or cleaning out your fridge if needed, which I typically do that every week. So that really resonates with me. I really love this planner. I'm so excited that I got it. And I will say, just let me take a break and tell you guys, I did not fully watch a lot of reviews on this planner before purchasing. I just kind of trusted the budget mom, trusted what she does. And I said I really needed a new planner system anyway. So boom, here it is. And I'm really excited. So I'm sorry if I sound really like excited and also kind of surprised, because I did not look in depth at a lot of these things before purchasing the planner like I usually do. Anyways, we have a weekly meal prep section, which is awesome. For the most part with me, this is always going to say leftovers when I'm going to work. And then dinner, this is a nice and important section for me. We have a shopping list. We have some important some areas for important reminders. And we have habits and a goal tracker. That's cool. And it has the different days of the week that you can input in. We also have main goal, this week's focus, this week's wins. We have housework. We have a work to-do list, a personal to-do list, make it work, and for next week. I really like that. That's a really, really nice layout. It's very concise. This housework here, that is bomb, okay? Because it's just bomb. It's gonna really work out well for me. So then, you guys, we have a weekly view, okay? So I know you guys were probably looking at this like, dang, where do you put, like your daily or your, where is this space for, like, what if this doesn't work for your week? Well, don't worry, there's more. We have a weekly view, and it's cut down in half-hour increments from all the way from 4 a.m. all the way to 10:30, which, again, perfect for me because the earliest that I really wake up on a work day is 4:30. So it's absolutely perfect. So in our weekly view, we have space here to put the day of the week and the number for the week. We have a workout section if you want. I don't really work out, so I probably would end up covering that up, or I don't care. It doesn't bother me. It's not space that I'm losing, not real estate that I necessarily needed, because I have a lot of space here. Then it has a weekly note section, okay? So this is awesome, you guys, awesome. So I don't know if these, 6 hour, so it breaks it up. Oh, okay, so this is like lunchtime and then dinner time, which Dom always eats at 6. So this is a perfect little thing. I can always just write in. And also track how often Dominic gets his dinner at 6 o'clock. That's really cool. I really try to stick to that schedule with him, because if he goes if he goes to 7, he's like, eat. He gets hangry, okay? Just like me. So that's fine. So there's the weekly view. And then this is basically another personal planning page. So it just goes into the next week. So that's how that, and so it goes like this until the next month. So let's see how many of these we have in each month. Okay, so we have the monthly view, right? We have the personal finance section, which is, again, beautiful, awesome, lovely. Then we have, so let's just package this as 1 week here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's what I thought. So we have 5 weeks in each section, which I like. That's really good. All right. Oh, and then look, there's more thoughts and notes on the back here. And this looks like this is, let's see, this is dedicated. Yeah, this is dedicated to this tab. So this is all 1 month's worth of inserts, or one month's worth of layouts. All right, to give you guys an idea. So you have that personal finance view, the monthly view, and then you have the what is that? What would we call this? The personal planning page, I guess. Just an overview of your week, and then break it down by week. So that's really cool, like a day by day. Not so much daily, but you know what I'm talking about. So then we have this next tab, which I'm assuming nothing is going to be different in here. Yeah, nothing's different. So we're just going to go through the different tabs. This one says you are enough. This one is, life is short, too short to give up, so much of it to struggle. Woo, ain't that the truth, okay? Or be unhappy, or be in toxic relationships or anything. Friendships, romantic relationships, any of that. Be proud of the changes you are making. We strive for improvement, but more than that, the awareness to improve. Small steps in the right direction add to success. Never forget the power and strength you have to change your life. Own your story and love yourself through the process. Stop trying to do everything. Instead, focus on what's important and do that well. Take it one day at a time. Never give up on your dreams. Always believe in yourself. Okay, and in the back here, we have this double-sided pocket thing. All right, nice and durable. I like it. Again, I told you guys that I'm sticking with pretty functional planning in here, but I do want to go over these stickers that are included here in the planner, or with the planner. So we're gonna put this off to the side. I really am excited about this planner, you all. So excited. Okay, so first things first is, we have the monthly tabs. So you can see here that they are, I believe they're they're transparent tab stickers. So I'll put, it's to go on the front and the back. So it's, of course, January through December, and I told you guys I'm going to be starting this planner in July. So this coral color tab will start with July for me. Also, we just have some cute little doodle stickers, and like she said, they're handmade, so you can kind of see they're seasonal. Like this is some Halloween stuff, some apples and stuff. That's like teacher time, like going back to school time, winter gloves and craft time and stuff like that, and some sunglasses and fruit and fall and Valentine's Day. And we have some more stickers back here. I really love this one. That sweet potato pie or pumpkin pie, depends on what you get down with during those holidays. That would be sweet potato pie for me. Pizza, pumpkin, all these are really cute. Payday. Yeah, so these are transparent stickers. So these are really cute. And then you have some doctor appointment stickers. Slay your day. They're very, very cute stickers. But I will work on getting my tabs together later on today, probably. Today's Friday. So anyways, you guys, I wanted to show you guys this planner. I'm really excited. So this looks like this is going to be my planner system with my LV GM, which is an A5 size agenda that I print inserts for. But I'm going to be transitioning my budget stuff from that planner into here, just because it'll keep everything kind of all in one place. And for the most part, what I think I'm going to do is home related things in here. And then for my GM planner, which goes with me to work and also to run errands, I can put errand stuff in there. So I think that's how that will work out. But I'm really, really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this first impressions. My first impressions overall, I love it. I think it's an awesome planner. We'll have to check in later to see how it works for me. There have been a few times where I've reviewed some planners, and honestly, like I did a few layouts. Just, over the last year, doing planning in planners other than my LVGM it's been difficult for me. The aesthetically, because with the design and the ability and the flexibility for me to print the inserts that I need and put in my GM, that's what's kind of made me stick to that. And also its portability. But there's a lot that I will be discussing later that this is going to help me with. So I'm really excited about this planner, and I'm really happy with it. I'm happy with my purchase, and the budget by paycheck workbook wasn't necessarily like jumping out at me, but now having that kind of somewhat of that system in here is going to help me, because I did like pieces of the budget by paycheck workbook, but I didn't need it in totality in its entirety. So having this personal finance page, this has to be my favorite section, I have to say. This is going to really be awesome for me. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this. I will link everything down below, which is just the liverichplanner.com and the budgetmom.com websites. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. And if you got this planner, tell me which cover you got, tell me which size, and tell me what your plans are for it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.